Hi everyone, my name is Susan Simpkins and welcome to my course Styling Websites with CSS. I'm a web developer at Oracle. CSS defines how websites look, and it has a huge impact on the user's experience because it allows you to establish everything from layout to typography to color and animation. In this course, we're going to learn how to write CSS from scratch. Some of the major topics that we will cover include writing CSS rules, styling text and adding fonts, learning how to size an element's width and height, and different types of CSS selectors. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of CSS and how to write your own CSS rules from scratch. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with HTML. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn CSS with the Styling Websites with CSS course at Pluralsight.